You are not what other people call you. You are not even what you've called yourself. Only the one who created you has the right and the authority to identify you. So for a few minutes this morning, I just came to remind you what your name is. I came to remind you who you are. Listen to me, brothers and sisters. You are not defined by your past. You are not defined by your behaviors. You are not defined by your failures. You are not defined by your struggles. You are not defined by your feelings. You are not defined by your circumstances. You are not defined by the here today, gone tomorrow, false ideologies and watered down philosophies of our current culture. You are who God says you are. It don't matter what other folks have been calling you. And it doesn't even matter what you've chosen to call yourself. There's only one who has the authority to identify you, and it's the one who gave life to you. Others aren't qualified to name you. Circumstances aren't powerful enough to define you. Your story may have hurt you, but it does not shape the totality of who you are. You are who God says you are. And He says you're a chosen race. You're a royal priesthood. You're a person who has been redeemed and chosen, adopted and qualified. You are not a mistake. You are not an afterthought. You are not a liability. You are a temple of the Holy Spirit of God. And the value He has placed on you means you are enough.